Hi, how are you? Today we are going to talk about a problem on probability. So I'll share my computer screen with you. So problem, in addition to being grouped into four times O, A, B, and AB, human blood is grouped by its rhesus Rh factor. The following table shows the distribution of these groups for Americans. So we have four columns O, A, B, and AB. These are four types of blood, four columns. We also have two rows, one for Rh plus and the other for Rh minus. Okay, so for the first column, we have entries 37% and 6%. That means out of O type of blood, 37% are Rh plus and 6% are Rh minus. Similarly, for A type of blood, 34% is Rh plus and 6% is Rh minus. For the B type of blood, 10% is Rh plus and 2% is Rh minus. And for AB type of blood, 4% is Rh plus and 1% is Rh minus. If we add the first column for O, the total is 37 plus 6, 43. For A, 34 plus 6 is 40% total. For B, 10 plus 2 is 12%. And for AB, 44% plus 1% is 5%. Okay. So if we add the sum of the totals of each column, 43% plus 40% plus 12% plus 5%, it adds up to 100%. Similarly, we can add the numbers in the first row, that is the RH plus row. 37 plus 34 plus 10 plus 4 is 85. And for RH minus, that is the second row, 6 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1 is 15%. Again, the total of 85 plus 15 is also 100%. Now we have the following question. If a single American is chosen at random, find the probability that the person has O negative blood. Okay, that's part A. So that will be probability of O negative. That is O and Rh minus is 6 over the total of 100 is 0.06. Part B has type O blood given the person is Rh plus. Okay, so the formula for given is the vertical line. So probability of O given the person has Rh plus type of blood. So the formula is probability of O and Rh plus, that is where the O column and Rh plus column meet, which is 37 divided by 100 divided by probability of Rh plus. Total of Rh plus is 85, first row divided by 100. Hence, it is 37 over 100 multiplied by 100 over 85, which is 37 divided by 85 because the two hundreds in the numerator and denominator cancel. 37 divided by 85 is 0.435. Okay. Next one. What is the probability that the person does not have O blood? So probability of not O is 1 minus probability of O, because the sum of the total probability is 1. So probability of not O, which is the complement event, is 1 minus probability of the O, which is 1 minus 43 over 100, or it is 100 over 100, which makes it 1 minus 43 over 100 is equal to 57 over 100, and 0.57 is the answer for part C. Part D has, what is the probability that the person has Rh minus given the person has type B? So Rh minus, vertical line B, our probability of Rh minus B. Always remember in this formula that first is the intersection part where Rh minus and B meet, which is 2 over 100, okay, divided by probability of B, and B is 12 over 100. So it is 2 over 100 for intersection of RH minus and B, where the RH minus row and B column meet, it is 2%. So it is 2 divided by 100 divided by probability of B, total of B column is 12, 12 over 100. So it is 2 over 100 multiplied by 100 over 12, 100 and 100 cancel. So it is 2 over 12 or 0.167. Part DE. If we randomly pick two Americans, what is the probability that both will have type O blood? Again, the total of O is 43. So probability that the first person will have type O blood is 0.43. Now, this will not influence what the second person has, whether he or she has O or O minus. So these are independent events. What are independent events? Whether the first person has O blood and the second person has O blood. They do not influence each other. So the probability of two independent events, the probability of the individual events get multiplied. So it is probability that the first person has O blood, which is 0.43, multiplied by the probability of the second person has O blood, which is also 0.43. So 0.43 times 0.43, the answer is 0.185. So probability of two independent events is equal to probability of each event, the first event multiplied by probability of second event, because the probability of the first event does not influence what the probability of the second event. Hence, the two probabilities get multiplied. So I will stop here today. If you have a comment, you can always write me a note and I'll get back to you. And please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Have a nice day.